In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Calendly URL. First, open your browser and go to the official Calendly website, then make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select My Link. Before changing your URL, just keep in mind that once you update it, any old links you previously shared will no longer work and will need to be updated. Now, in the text box, enter the custom URL you want to use. As you type, you'll see a status indicator. If you see a green check with the word available, that means the URL is not being used and you can select it. But if it shows red and says unavailable, you'll need to try a different variation until you find one that's available. Once you've found a URL that works, simply click Save Changes and your new Calendly link will be updated right away. And that's it. That's how you change your Calendly URL. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.